If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Yesterday we saw Dogecoin making some green candles, got a little bit of a trending on the coin market cap. I did actually see Dogecoin making some nice good trend on the coin market cap, and the reason is because I mean that was a little bit of a pump from there to there. We're looking at 9.44%, which actually makes some traders really interested in trading the coin itself. But I think you know what, this is nonetheless nothing more than a downtrend. Let me just tell you that. Let's be honest here, okay? This is still nonetheless a downtrend. And once again, let's dive into the weekly, just give you an overview that I am expecting for Dogecoin to make an ABC correction. I've been through this one with you for a long time now. This was a channel to the downside, break to the upside, A, B, and a C correction, right? All right, so that's the first thing. Let's go on to the 4-hour time frame and let's talk about the second thing. And the second thing is as the follows. The second thing is that you do have this move to the downside, sideways movement, break to the downside, bear flag, and you're looking for 0.06683 as your next technical target. That's your target for Dogecoin. Now, how you get there is random. You can go like this and go straight down, or you can just go halfway, move sideways and pump, and then go down. That is up to how the market makers want to do their job. But what you have to know as a trader is that this is a target and this is another target as well for the C correction move to the downside as well. And if I actually have to add another insult to injury for the bulls, basically we could even say that this is a resistance line trying to form up right over here, something like that. So you could actually expect this to move sideways again. So you have one touch right there, second touch right over here, third one right over there, pump to the upside. It's time to move a little bit sideways, and by 26th December, in the next 2 days, you touch this line again, make another resistance here, or maybe a fake out, and then boom, drop to the downside. So be extra careful. I think there's a decision up to till 26th of December, because that's the maximum time to reach this trend line again for the resistance. So be super careful. And how much can you dump? Let's actually bring in another helper, which is a support zone right there. So if you talk about the support zone, you can actually expect for this one to touch this line and make a very big dump all the way down to 6160, because support here, support there, support here, support here, makes sense to go again to the lowest part of that support if you're going to make it to the highest part of the resistance. And that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.